Hey everyone, it's Darren with Madcap Toys. We're going to go and see what we've got going on today. We're going to give you an update of how we've done on the shed so far. And yes, we have got the, let's see, we got the model shelf done. We got the Kathy shelf done. I got my lower sugar Gatorade, as it was, with me in case I get that dry throat cough from some of those pills. And it's warm enough out here that this bottle is sort of expanding and you can feel it. I also took time to turn on our little cooler unit in here, so it's going to get black for a minute. Let me turn on the light. There we go, that's better. Put that right there and we'll get with you and show you some things that's been going on. Many of you have been with us on our, I'm going to call it remodularization project that we've got going on, and we found quite a bit of items that's not been skewed, that's been lost on eBay, Macari, and I'm going to say Poshmark. I'm including them all, but it's all on eBay, because that's 90% of what we list is going up on eBay at the moment right now. We used to have a system where we do things a little bit different, but we've just also picked up another place that we're listing on. Kathy will tell you a little bit about that as time goes along. We've only got like 8 items on it, but I'm going to let her talk to you about that. District we're working on a little bit as we go as well. But as many of you know, this is what we've been working on here. This here is, let's see, this here is model shelf 2. And we've redone all of this. And just showing you what we've got, sort of an idea here, guys. So it's not going to be perfect. And this is a 5 shelf setup on this here. And we've got a lot of models there. And we've got some plush as well. And then we've also got on the side, as you can see, tapes, CDs, and DVDs somewhat. And we've been filling in some spaces. We got some cassettes there that's going on. We've set up some more cassettes down there and some DVDs and a few odds and ends. Now in the dark section, we've got some games and puzzles. We've got a donkey, some fingerlings, etc. Some more DVDs, odds and ends from a pallet buy, cassettes, various kinds of cars, more DVDs and track sets, Monster Jam. Trying to show you this as quick as we can without rushing it on this, but then I'm going to show you the next one that we've just finished and where we're moving to. Okay, so just going down, more cassettes, race cars, NASCAR, DVDs, VHS. I'm going to call that Funko. We've got a ton of records there, even some 45s, a few 45s there. That's not where we normally put them. We've got some racing vehicles there, NASCAR. Okay, rushing over here. A ton of games. And Kathy's wedding dress is back there, which we put up there. It's been closed up, etc., and sealed right now. We're just out of room. We are going to need to get us another shed, as it was. Okay, some more CDs right there, some furlings, shelf item or pallet items, yard sale items, some tins and plates, etc. Puzzles is right here, DVDs, and that. Coming down here, we got Baby Alives that's going on, Shopkins going on. Trying to give you pictures of that. We've got an area that I've got to fill in with what have you and finish up on the CDs and the DVDs. We've got, is that the Power Pups or whatever it is? I can't see. But then we got Barbies going up here. And more pallet items. And then we're going to have to restock and get some orders in for some toys. Okay, then coming on the side, you can see we're doing a lot of items here. There, more cassettes going on the sides along with the CDs that I showed you. Fisher Price items, some DVDs going up here, pallet items, and so on and so forth. And then I've got an item down there that I've got a section for some, looks like I've had some bees get in here, for the, what are those, comics? Yeah. Okay, this is one that we just got done. I'll take you over on the other side as well. Got a bunch of Transformers. This is the one we just started, Transformers Shelf 1. We've got that right there going on. Games, Stretch Armstrong, Drew Carey, Bumblebee, some Kung Zu. Watch out that I don't kill myself over here. Plush Transformers, very collectible Transformers as well. Right there, a set of Transformers. We got Stone Cold Steve Austin, more Transformers, Doctor Who, some Transformers there we got one that had a damage issue there, but it's still mint. And then we've got that Transformers Legends, which was what the other is. And so we are on Transformers Shelf 2. So what I did is took everything off, and that's the stuff you see up on the table up there. I washed down the Transformer Shelf 2, as I do each shelf as we go to them, and we're just working away to get them on. Now, our numbers I've seen, because we've been increasing sales, we've been seeing sales increase since we've done that. I'll just probably give it to you the exact number. So this is going to be off the top of my head, guys. It's either 136 or 146 items that we found that was not listed anywhere, or I'm sorry, that sold since we've done this. And then we have like 119 to 129 items that we found that's not listed anywhere. So hopefully I didn't confuse you too much on that. Too many numbers going through the head. But this is pretty much what we're doing. I'm going to come in here, sweep up, because we have had, like I said, some wasps that's come in here and there with us or what have you, and we've killed them. We're going to get them out of here. We have a lot of bees flying around the last couple of days, so it's like everything's coming out of the ground. So hopefully you or nobody gets stung, or we don't get stung. Our yard worker, Jordan, most of the time helps us out. Hopefully he don't get stung. So we're going to take and just keep working. We're going to plan on doing this all year. I'm hoping, and this is a big hope because we got a lot more to go, that we can get this done. I'd like to see it done by January 1st. I don't know if it's going to happen that way because it takes a long time, because like you know, with the walls, we did the back wall, we did the army shelves, we did the left wall, and we're working on these now. We've got the 2 shelves done in the back, model shelves and Kathy shelves, which is great. We're working on the Transformer shelves now as we go, and we've seen a lot of change. When we have the kerfluffle, I found yesterday 6 to 8 items, and I'm saying it because I've done the work a couple days, so I don't know if it's exactly 6 or it's 8 put together. It should be right around there. That was all partial post, and we don't use partial post. We use ground advantage, because you can get, usually right now they're saying 3+ ish, but it used to be there for a while. They went 1 to 5, as you guys know. But we've been doing things with that. There's been shipping issues going around here and there, as everybody knows, as a subject on what's going on with eBay. We've seen that the gentleman that owns GameStop is wanting to, you know, come up with a plan to make it better if he can get a hold of it and get the money. Hopefully he does, somebody, so something gets moving, because our sales are sporadic right now. I've had one day, it seems like anywhere between every 16 days to the next time it can be 6 days. Now I can't tell you the pattern, but we'll go one time 16 days, the next time maybe 9 days, the next time maybe 6 or 7 days. Then we'll have a day where everything seems to shut off. I know James was talking the other day. He said, and I don't know about his numbers as of when he closed up and shut down for the night, but he's like at $50. And to me, with a guy that's got 70, 80, 90,000 items on or more, that's pathetic. And we've done all for ourselves. I don't remember what yesterday's numbers was, but it was almost a sympathy buy, as in eBay apparently turned on for long enough for us to make a sell. But if they leave things alone, we start shooting back up there. Now, I'm not telling you I'm back to where I was at a typical $500 or $600 day. I am not. I get those once in a while. Sometimes I get over 1,000, but usually my typical good days is 1 to 250-ish. But here lately, we've been struggling to get 100 and something to 200 and something. So things are off. They're way off, but things do seem to be moving little by little in the right direction. So guys, let me know if you got any comments. Give us your thoughts, your ideas, what you're seeing online. This is what we are doing, and we'll try to get you another video out tomorrow and give you some numbers if I can. We've got a lot of things going on, still working with a lot of issues. Wonderful day. Bye-bye. That's dealing with family issues. So just keep up with us, and guys, we appreciate you watching, and I'm trying to drop the videos as often as I can. Life sometimes gets in the way and gets busy, but hey, I really do appreciate you. If you're not, feel free to subscribe with us and follow along, and feel free to comment. Your thoughts and ideas are important to us. And guys, I don't care if you're a big YouTube channel or just a watcher. We appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. We'll see y'all later. You guys have a great and a wonderful